Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This is a light gray boat with light gray under the hardtop with the new Mercury 300 Verado on the back. The boat has not yet been bottom painted. Let's take some covers off, walk through and look at a few of the options. As we enter the 2019 23-foot Boston Whaler Vantage, you'll see this motor has the new 300 horse Verado. This particular boat has two rod holders on the transom. Does have a freshwater shower, walk-through door. One of the options with the table, which stows forward, fold-down seat, two rod holders in each gunnel. Plenty of cup holders. This boat has the Yeti cooler underneath the Corian countertop with the stainless steel cap on the windshield. Light gray under the hardtop to match the hull. This particular boat has a bolster seat. We have equipped this one with a 9-inch MarineMax GPS fish finder plotter. Does have a MarineMax VHF, Fusion stereo, tilt wheel. The seat has storage under the front and a live well under the back. It is a multi-position seat which does go down to a lounge. The seat has many positions. It is a marine head for this year, with an overboard pump out. This is a trash can receptacle, forward seating, USB ports, 12-volt outlets, storage underneath the seat. This boat does have a freshwater shower forward and a beach boarding ladder. The table also can be put up front for entertaining. There is a full enclosure for this boat and a full tonneau cover, which we saw in the first half of the video. Once again, this is a 2019 23-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. Thank you.